Good afternoon, children. Okay. So now we have done with your first FA and I've got most of your papers. Very few have not submitted. Just see to it that you had to submit it by today. But almost I have got many of the papers and you have tried your best. I hope that all of you were sincere in writing your papers, expecting the same sincerity to come forward also. So whenever exam is given, when you are writing it at home, equal sincerity from your side is also required. No doubt I have so many proofs that you had posted through your WhatsApp. I have those also, and in Nextshala you have uploaded. Most of you have taken care to be very sincere and punctual, but still those who are not able to upload, we had asked you to send for your WhatsApp for pics. All that has been taken care and you have finished with your first FA. Now it's time to begin with your next portion without wasting much of your time and our time especially. Let us begin with the new chapter, that is on lesson number 5, natural resources. Okay. So by now I expect you to complete your classwork also. See that they are also updated with family, community and community games, with all these 3 notes also in your new classwork. So all this is the prior information. I have to give it to you. Okay. So till here, now let's begin with a new chapter, lesson number 5 with natural resources. Okay. So what is natural? Natural is something which you get it from the nature, right? And resources are the things what you get from the nature. They are called as natural resources or natural things. Now, our earth consists of essential resources which support life. Yes or no? From earth, we get so many things such as water, soil, air, minerals, plants, animals, etc. which occur naturally on earth are called resources. So what are resources which occur naturally on earth? They are called as resources, and which you get from nature, they are called as natural resources, right? These resources are necessary for all living organisms including man. So we are all alive just because we get natural resources. These are the most valuable things in the progress of mankind. Okay. So to begin with the chapter, let me explain once again. Natural resources are which occur on the earth naturally. They are, which are they now? They are water, soil, air, minerals, plants, animals, etc. So these are the natural resources. Now on page number 60, you have solved the following riddles to identify natural resources. So there are riddles. Riddles andre enu? Vagattathara. There are few sentences asked on that particular things you have to answer. Actually, if we were in class, we could have done this as a question answer part, or I would have asked the riddles and you would have answered. But now, as you are at home and I am in school, so let me ask you the riddle and I only have to give the answer, right? But you remember, such type of riddles will be asked in a different way for your exams. Okay? You can't live without me. Every plant, tree, animal needs me. Nobody can see me. What is it then? See, what is the thing here? We cannot live without it and everyone needs it, but you can't see. Any ideas? Any guesses? I think now you might be knowing the answer. It is air. What is it? It is air. Next one. I occupy major portion of the earth. I satisfy all your thirst. What is thirst? Neeradke. I make animal, tree and plant cool. So what is this? This riddle, what it is specified? It makes us cool and it quenches our thirst. What can it be? As you all know, it is what? Water. Right. Second one is water. Third one now. I let you live on me. What does this thing does us? It allows us to live on it. I help to grow plants and trees. I support all life on me. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ತಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರೋದು? It is nobody, none other than it is earth. Earth ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿ. Okay? So I let you live on me. I help to grow plants and trees. I support all life on me. It is none other than it is earth. So third answer what it is? It is earth. Now coming to the fourth riddle. I give fruits and nuts. I spread cooling shades. No life without me. What is the main point here? It gives us fruits and nuts. I spread cooling shades. So who gives us shade? Obviously trees. Trees give us shade and there is no life without me. The answer is, who am I? I am a tree. Got it? Vehicles like bus, lorry and car use me to run. Took thousands of years to form me. From underneath the soil you extract me. Where is this thing found now? It is used for vehicles. Bus, lorry and car. They use them. Okay? And it took thousands of years to form me. Then it was invented or discovered. And from underneath means from below the soil you extract me. You bring it out. You take it out. From where it is? Any guesses? Yes, of course it is petrol. It is extracted from the soil or from the mines. There you get it. That is petrol. Okay. The fifth riddle was petrol. Now coming to the sixth one. Plate, tumbler and vessels are made up of me. Beautiful jewels are made up of me. My ore will be hardened by you. Who am I? Okay. So what are the things made here? Plate. What plate you eat usually? What metal it is made? Of course it is metal. Right? Metal. Steel agirbodu, gold agirbodu, silver agirbodu. All these are metals. So what are things made from metal? Plates, tumblers and vessels. Vessels andra bandi. The way you cook, those utensils what you use, they are also made of metal, right? Beautiful jewels are made up of me. What are the things made up of jewels? By what metal it is made? Yes, you will be knowing it. Yes, gold and silver. These are the metals which you are using. So the answer for the sixth one is, I am a metal. Okay, now seventh one, which is from your text. Darkness drives away from me. Darkness andre enu? Kattale. Kattalenu dooru irisuva vastu adi enu? Bright light comes from me. Light comes from me. A source of energy, that is me. What is it? It is energy. It is a source of energy. Who am I? Just think. Turn around and look into the sky. Now it is afternoon, but as it is a rainy atmosphere there, you might not see. But still, what will you see the first when you lift up your head? That is none other than sun. Okay? So what is sun? Darkness drives away from me. So what is it? He is driving. Sun is driving away darkness. A bright light comes from me. Where is the light coming from? From sun. And it is a source of energy. That is me. Okay. So these were your seven riddles what you were asked for. First one was air. Second was water. Third was earth. Fourth is tree. Fifth one is petrol. It is a non-renewable resource. And next is metals. And finally it is sun. Okay. Generally, natural resources can be classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. Now you know nature has given you enough of resources. From nature what you have got, it is natural resource. But in that also some things get exhausted. What gets exhausted are non-renewable resources. Renewable means you can get it again and again. It will not get to an end. So the different type of sources are in natural resources. It is divided into renewable sources and non-renewable sources. Okay. Renewable means you can get it again and again. Non-renewable, once it is exhausted or get over, then you will not get back that. Right. So renewable resources like solar energy, air, water, soil, forest, etc. are available in nature in spite of their usage. Even though we use so much, still it will be existing. They are called as renewable resources. Since these are continuously available over the period of human lifetime, these resources are called as renewable resources. Understood? Till here, everything is clear. Renewable means which will never get over and you can get it continuously. They are called as renewable. Example, solar energy, air, water, soil and forest. Forest, no doubt it is a renewable resource, but still water and forest has to be taken great care of. That you will study in the later of the chapter. Once this is done, you will study accordingly. Now next is non-renewable resources. So what are non-renewable resources? Resources which cannot be got again. Once they are over, it is exhausted. They are called as non-renewable resources. Example, resources like coal, petrol, diesel and natural gases will run out due to their continuous usage. So continuously if you use them, it will run out. It will run out means it will get exhausted. It will be over. So such resources are non-renewable and the examples are coal, petrol, diesel and natural gas. So which are there? Coal, petrol and natural gases. Okay. So here in this renewable resources you have example as solar energy, soil and forest. And here with non-renewable you have coal, petrol, natural gases and also diesel. Okay. All these things get over. Continuously if you use, it will get over. Okay. Now here on page number 62, you have a chart there. Put the following resources into the suitable basket by drawing lines. Okay, so this is an activity for you. Now I have explained which are renewable and which are non-renewable. So you have to do this activity. Coal, iron, petrol, diesel, cooking gas, water, oxygen, forest, gold, wild animals and solar energy. There are two baskets in your textbook. Okay, you can see the two baskets there. In that you have to pick and put out the non-renewable sources in the non-renewable basket and renewable sources in the renewable packet. Okay, basket. You have learnt about the types of natural resources. Let us know about renewable resources in detail. So next time when I come for your next chapter, we will be doing a detailed chapter on the renewable resources so that it will be easier for you to follow. So up till today, this much is enough. What is natural resource? Why do we need it? And what are the different natural resources? And what are natural resources classified into? One is renewable, another one is non-renewable. Okay. Now for this you will have to do an activity telling that you have to name the natural resources. First make a chart and stick 4 pictures of renewable resources and 4 pictures of non-renewable resources. Okay. And read the whole chapter. Whenever I take a part lesson also, when only half the thing is explained also, you have to read the whole lesson before coming to your next class. I want you to read the whole lesson number 5 of natural resources. Okay. Shall meet you in the next class. Okay.